Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to learn the concept of ditransitive verb, but if you are new to my channel please like and subscribe the channel. Well, let's move and start it. A ditransitive verb can be defined as: ditransitive verbs are a type of transitive verb that takes two objects. What does it mean? Simply, it means that ditransitive verb is nothing but a verb that requires two objects to make complete sense. In simple words, you can say that the first object is the direct object, which receives the action of the verb. The second object is the indirect object, which indicates the person or thing to whom or for whom the action is done. When you find two objects in a sentence, so that sentence must have ditransitive verb. I think you are not getting the point. Don't worry, just look at these examples. I gave my mother a flower. Look at this example attentively. Basically in this sentence there are two objects, one is my mother, and the second is a flower, so the verb of this sentence is gave, so this verb is called ditransitive verb. I hope you are now picking my point. If not, then look at another example. She showed her friend the picture. Look at again to this sentence, there are two objects, one is her friend, and the second is the picture, and the verb of this sentence is showed. So this verb has two objects, that is why it is ditransitive verb. Smith told her daughter a story. In this sentence again there are two objects, the one is her daughter and the second is a story, and the verb we have is told, so this is obviously ditransitive verb. Well guys, if you have enjoyed the lecture then please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.